With meteorologist Crystal Ortiz on Fox 10 News.
We're going to blame that random clip on the snow. That's what we're going to do. It's Friday. Take a look right now. This is a live view from Flagstaff. I am a little excited to see this because when I woke up this morning, first thing I did was check some of the live cameras from Discover Flagstaff. I checked to see how radar was looking, and I saw it was snowing but melting. Now it is snowing and sticking. Again, this does mean roads are going to turn more dicey this morning, but it also means for folks that are hoping to wake up to a little blanket of white, we are starting to see that. That temperature has dropped just 1 degree since I've been in the building, and that's been enough for us to start seeing it accumulate. What's happening is the intensity picked up just a bit. This helps to release a little heat, and it allows for the temperature to drop just enough for us to see that accumulating snow start to happen. So the sidewalk's a little bit coated, the road's certainly getting coated now, and you can see right here that it's coming down pretty good speed, that snow currently. So here's what we're expecting in the high country for our winter storm. This morning, that light to steady snow is turning slippery, slushy roads. Now, there is going to be potential in some areas as you get a little higher up the San Francisco peak, say on the way to Snowbowl, where it should have been stacking up throughout the night. So I would assume those roads are actually pretty snowy at this point, or will be in the next couple of hours. As we go into the afternoon, scattered snow showers will continue. So this is going to be on and off, hit or miss. Not everyone gets it, but there may be pockets that are a little on the heavier side as that rolls through, which can do a quick, say, inch of snow in some areas. And that does mean there's the possibility for brief periods of limited visibility as these pass on through during the afternoon. But by the time we get to tomorrow morning, we're dry and cold, probably still some icy spots out there, but overall things will improve as we head into the weekend. There's a look on Fox Vision of the current conditions. You can see the snow over the high country right along. This is what we talked about yesterday, that there's going to be a quick drop off from snow to rain. In fact, throughout the night, Williams has mostly been getting rain. A few hundred feet higher elevation, Flagstaff has been getting snow. So that's the difference, just a couple hundred feet. This is always a tough forecast. 1 or 2 degree temperature, 100 or 200 feet makes all the difference when it comes to what kind of snow or rain we see. Rain, of course, in Sedona and down to Camp Verde along the 17. Then we head north, the Kaibab Plateau getting a light snow right now around the Grand Canyon. And how about for the valley? We are dry currently, aside from maybe a sprinkle outside of Buckeye. But we do see some moisture off to the west of us. It's quite light, but that does mean we will see some spotty rain shower chances over the next couple of hours. I'd say beyond 6 a.m. We'll see that chance kind of come to fruition, especially I think along the northern edge of the valley as we move forward. So this is the Futurecast. I always put this out here. I like to see how the model initializes, meaning how does it start? Does it look the same as radar? Most of the models are struggling a little bit because the temperatures have been off from where we were hoping they would be, but this one's doing an okay job. So it does show around 7 a.m. a chance for a few showers around the valley, and this is when we start to see more of the broken activity up near Flagstaff. At times steady, might get a break, then you get another pocket. So you see at lunchtime again around Flag a little bit of activity. It's very scattered, but any of these pockets could have some heavier snow in them around areas like Apache, Navajo counties, and Coconino counties as well. Once we get into 5 o'clock this evening, starting to thin some, but still a few spot showers moving through, and then everything dries out as we head on into the weekend. This is a quick look. Also going to be windy today. Those gusts 30 to 35 in the valley, 30 to 40 in Flagstaff. So just an added kind of layer to the rain, snow, the winds. The temperatures as a result around 70 for us today in the valley. Look at the warm up as we bring back sunshine this weekend. Sunday we're at 75, upper 70s next week.